Hello everyone, welcome back to the Excel 2016 training. In this video, we'll take a look at the quick sort and the custom sort. Here is the sample workbook for us to look at sorting and custom sorting. Now looking at this data range, it's easy to tell that the data has been sorted by employee ID. It starts with 1 and goes all the way to 250. Let me scroll this for you. 250. So the whole data range is sorted by the employee ID. Say for example you want to sort it by the first name. How would you do it? I mean, here it is the cell, but when you sort it, you're not really looking at just the cell. It's actually the whole record or the whole row. Meaning, if you say take the case of Larry, when you sort this data set or data range, when you move the Larry to whatever position, the whole record, because this information, whatever you see here, belongs to Larry. So the whole data needs to move. So it's very simple to do that. Say for example, you want to sort it by the first name, select a cell within the column and go to your home, and within the home ribbon, you have sort and filter drop down, pull it down, and then you have sort A to Z or sort Z to A. Depending on your need, select the appropriate option. Let me do A to Z. Well, it's done. It completely sorted the whole data range based on the first name, alphabetically, A to Z. It's very simple. Let me repeat it for the last name. All I do is select a cell within the last name column, go to sort and filter and do A to Z. Now you see Alan is at the top and it's sorted alphabetically. Now you can do this from a different location as well. Go to Data tab and then you have Sort and Filter section, then you have A to Z and Z to A options here. It's very simple. All you do is select the column and pick either A to Z or Z to A depending on your need, and the whole data set gets sorted accordingly. Now let me demo it with another column. Say for example you want to sort your employee list using the department. Just select a cell under the column department and click the A to Z button within this sort and filter, or you can always use this as well. Both will work. So this is a very quick and simple way of sorting your data, and Excel takes care of the other columns along with that particular column as well. Now let us take a look at the custom sorting. Say for example you want to sort by the first name and then you want to sort by the department. That means you are bringing in two sorting conditions into one. And to do that, you need to do something called custom sorting, and for that you will have to go to Data and then you have this option called Sort. So what we do here is, first let us sort this based on the first name, and then let's say to this, let's say we want to add department. So as a good example, let's take this set here, Alan accounting IT. Maybe I'll take the state. So as you can see, P is at the top, OH is at the bottom for this set. So let's do this. So let's go to sort, and you can see that the whole set is being sorted by the first name on value and A to Z. Let me add another level, and here I'm going to pick DL state values A to Z. When I do that, pay attention here, do that, data gets sorted a little bit. Here what happens is, first it is sorted by the first name, and if you have the same first name, it sorts it by the DL state. So you're applying multiple conditions to sort. I mean, you're not limited by 2, you can add more. You can go there, let's say you want to add So you want to do by department. It is at that point. Looks like there's not much of a difference, but when you have lots and lots of data to play with, so those conditions do help you to get to what you're looking for and sort the data the way you want to look at. Well, that's it about the quick sorting. I'll see you in the next video.